Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video you are learning Flask tutorial. So in this video we are going to discuss about HTTP methods. If you come from any website development background like PHP, ASP.NET, JSP or such any other website development fields, then understanding this page will not be a problem for you. But in case if you don't come from any website development background, then for this video may be useful for you. So the first the method is get. So what is get method? Sends the data unencrypted from the server, most common method. That means what? When user submits the data, it is unencrypted. For example, if user even sends password, it can be seen into the browser. The data can be seen into the browser. Normally the secret data like password and such other things is not sent through this. Normally product id, customer id, user id, this kind of data is sent through this get method. Post method is most used method, and if you have unencrypted data like password or any such confidential data, and also there is some limitation in get method, you can't send large data, but in case of post method you can send large data. And data received by post method is not cached by server. It can be cached. The get method can be cached, even you can bookmark the data through the data sent through the get method. But in case of post method, you cannot bookmark this. And the put method is when you want to update the data, when you want to make any modification, when you want to make changes into the data. In that case you will be using put method. And finally the delete method, as its name suggests, if you want to delete the record from the database, in that case you will be using this delete method. So these are important methods which are used in website, and also in further videos we will be using get, post, input and delete method, so you will know more about this. So in this video that's it, and stay connected. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and keep watching the further videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.